In 2005, a 30-year independence campaign in the Indonesian province of Aceh came to an end. Even now, it's a rare example of a secessionist dispute that ended peacefully, with separatist forces agreeing to accept full reintegration into the parent state. In this video, I'm going to look at the Aceh conflict and how it was resolved. I'll show that while peace efforts have gone on for many years, the dispute wasn't in fact settled by skilled diplomacy alone. Instead, an entirely unexpected development made the
Saudara Soekarno tidak akan mengingkari janji yang sudah dia sampaikan kepada kita.
Bagaimana kita bisa yakin? Selembar bukti pun tak ada. Assalamualaikum.
2 decades have passed since the people of Aceh and the government of the Republic of Indonesia signed the Helsinki Memorandum of Understanding on August 15, 2005. This historic agreement ended the long-armed conflict between the Free Aceh Movement, GAM, and the central government, and became a symbol of peace that changed the...
Ngepele gede Acehnya dari RI. Ambil sesuatu yang baik, kalaupun itu keluar dari babah rimung. Selain itu, kita juga memiliki sejarah dan kemampuan secara militer untuk bisa berdiri sendiri.
Selalu dalam hati saya sama dengan Pak SBY, saya berpikir bagaimana saya bisa balas budi rakyat Aceh. Itu pemikiran saya. Dan
hal-hal yang mesti dilakukan untuk Indonesia tercinta, untuk Aceh tercinta. Itu